Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm presenting our car. It's called Vanderer 1 and our concept is we combine a daily car with a campervan and also a vehicle for cargo. So if we look inside, we have a small car. It's a Citroen Berlingo with a pop-up tent. So it's possible to stand inside the car and also sit comfortable. We also have a sleeping bed in the upper pop-up roof. You pull it down and then there's one bed upstairs. In this furniture we have a kitchen on the left side. There's a gas stove. You can also plug it out and use it outside of the camper van. There's some storage for kitchen supply. And on the right side we have a sink with water supply accessible in the front. The gas cooker and the water can be used outside of the trunk. There's some storage room here, and we can sit in the lounge area, so it's like a little living room with a couch table. But if we want to eat, we move up our kitchen and then we flip the table. If we want to eat together with 4 people, I just slide it in the back. And there's another stove. It's induction, so we can use it inside the car. We saw one bed in the rooftop tent, but we can also create a second bed downstairs by moving down the kitchen. And we built our second bed here by putting the pillows over there. There's some storage room in this box for bed sheets, sleeping bags, and there's a second bed, so we have 2 beds inside the car. There's a fridge in the front, accessible while driving. And if we want to go further, we just pull everything inside, and then it's the transition for daily driving. Now we have 5 seats again, so it's possible to go in the city or go to work with this car. The furniture can be removed in under 1 minute, so you have a huge trunk, or it's also possible to drive with up to 7 people.
Yeah, I see. It's very easy to move it, to put in a few minutes you can go on the road,
yeah,
or you can go on the sleep.
Yeah, our concept is like an all-in-one car, so one car for everything.
How many kilos have this furniture?
It's around 100 kilo, so we can remove it with 2 people. You don't need any screws or something. You just pull out the furniture and then it's a normal car again.
This is the toilet, yeah?
Yeah, like a mini toilet. We have some storage on the sides, back, left and right, for clothing or camping equipment.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.